Hi guys, kindly hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get recent updates on the cryptocurrency markets. It's another video and we are glad to have you once again. Without any further delay, let's get started. Traders who've owned shares up to now 12 months have usually skilled some large positive factors. However, there isn't any query some big-name cryptocurrencies have left the inventory market within the mud. Polkadot's large run. One cryptocurrency that has been an incredible funding up to now 12 months has been Polkadot, crypto. The Polkadot protocol is and try to deal with a few of the scalability points with Bitcoin and different common cryptos. The distinctive characteristic of Polkadot that differentiates it from Bitcoin is Polkadot's system of linked blockchains. Whereas Bitcoin has only one blockchain, Polkadot has a central blockchain that gives safety for the community and aspect chains that improve its capability. The Polkadot protocol launched in May 2020, however Polkadot's ICO befell again in 2017 when tokens had been bought at an preliminary worth of $30. In August 2020, Polkadot accomplished a redenomination that elevated the variety of tokens every investor held by an element of 100. Polkadot costs began on target virtually instantly following the redenomination thanks partially to large authorities' stimulus spending to assist the financial system throughout the COVID-19 pandemic. Because the pandemic started, the federal government has spent greater than $6 trillion, and traders involved concerning the potential for hyperinflation have poured into cryptocurrencies as potential hedges. Associated hyperlink. If you invested $1,000 in Bitcoin Cash 1 year ago, here's how much you'd have now. On August 20, 2020, Polkadot traded as little as $2.69 in intraday buying and selling earlier than bouncing and by no means trying again. By November 1, Polkadot was buying and selling at $4.18. The cryptocurrency hit the $10 mark for the primary time on January 3, 2021. Polkadot in 2021 passed, on January 19, 2021, influential Tesla Inc., Nasdaq, TSLA, CEO Elon Musk added #Bitcoin to his Twitter bio and tweeted, "On reflection, it was inevitable." Musk's tweet dispatched the complete cryptocurrency market hovering, together with Polkadot. Polkadot finally hit its post-redenomination excessive of $49.69 in might. At present, Polkadot costs have pulled again considerably and the crypto is buying and selling again down at $15.60. Nonetheless, Polkadot traders who purchased on the day of the redenomination and held on have generated large returns on their investments. In reality, $1,000 in Polkadot purchased on August 20, 2020, can be value about $5,216 as we speak. Wanting forward, it is inconceivable to worth cryptocurrencies like Polkadot as a result of they produce no money circulation, pay no dividend or curiosity and are nonetheless used for less than a tiny fraction of worldwide monetary transactions. Up thus far, Polkadot has made for a superb speculative funding. However, till the intense volatility within the Polkadot market dies down, it should doubtless have a troublesome time profitable over traders in search of a secure, safe different to money that received it maintain them up at nighttime. Disclaimer. The views and opinions expressed by me, or any people mentioned in this video, are for informational purposes only, and they do not constitute financial and investment advice. Investing in or trading crypto assets comes with a risk of financial loss. Always do your own research. Thank you for staying with us, we'll see you in the next videos. Don't forget to click subscribe button to subscribe to my channel for the next update.